Hello, are you ready to party? Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to party with you this spring summer 2022 catalog season. Our Hostess Insider exclusives are awesome this season, and I'm going to show you all of them in the first video. So how do you get your hands on these Hostess exclusives? Well, you host a qualifying party. So a qualifying party is at least $200 in orders, which is an average of 4 to 5 orders, and boom, you've qualified for Hostess exclusives. Okay, now at each $100 level leading up to the $1,000 level, you earn more and more and more and more. So our Hostess rewards chart, I think, is very generous. So I always love to tell my hostesses, okay, we've got a $200 is just the minimum, but I want your party minimum to be a $500 party, because that's basically kind of where you get to double your rewards. So at the $500 level, you get $100 in free credits, 3 half-price items, and 2 of the discounted Hostess exclusives that I'm going to show you today. And then at the $1,000 party level, you're going to earn $200 in free 5 half-price items and 2 of the insider exclusives, but 1 of them will be free. So that's always like our ultimate party goal, is to have that $1,000 party, and it's totally doable. Just grab your friends and family and let me help you share 31 in our products, our mission, and I promise you, you're going to have an awesome party. I do lots of different style parties. My favorite one is an online bingo party, but we can definitely chat and see what's going to work for both of us together, and can't wait to party with you. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to show you is the one right here. So this has been my #1 selling Hostess exclusive since this launched in March, and it has been the Deluxe Utility Tote LTD, okay? It is amazing. So this is basically like an upgraded version of your Deluxe Utility Tote. Now, the Deluxe Utility Tote is the upgraded version of the large utility tote. So this is like the big mama of them all, okay? So it comes in 3 different prints. This is the bold color block print. Look how gorgeous this is. I love the look of this. So I did the background initial, and this is the fawn thread color to match the fawn print here. And then I chose off-white for Carver there. But some features about the Deluxe Utility Tote LTD: you've got the handle right here, same as the Deluxe Utility Tote, but you have an added feature here. This is a thermal pouch, so you could put bottles of water in here and keep them cold. So this is a thermal pouch. On this side, you do still have the 3 pockets, 1, 2, 3, except this middle pocket actually has a zipper. So love that feature there. And then we also have our this webbed handle right here, but this is the mesh pocket here. So you can store maybe your phone in here, your keys, your chapstick, sunscreens, things like that. So, and this also comes with an insert, okay? So this comes with an insert. So you have 3 divided sections here. And on the insert here, you've got mesh pockets on each side. Now you can see that I just like to keep this in here. This is the insulated bucket tote. Now anyone can purchase this. It's not a Hostess exclusive, but I love this this thermal. It is a thermal, and it just fits perfectly down inside one of the sections there. Now I do have the other print. One of the other prints that this comes in. This is the camper print. So love the camper print. I did the compass in peach, and then I put get lost there in peach as well. And then that is in the modern font, okay? So love this. And I just wanted to show you, since this is a little bit of a lighter color interior, you can see how this, you can see the mesh pockets here, but this fits in through the grommets here. So you can unbutton this. Okay, and unbutton the other side, and this just comes right out. So, oops, it's stuck. So, and it's stuck here. Okay, so it just fits in just like this, okay? So, love this. Great when you are camping this summer. So, that's the Deluxe Utility Tote LTD, okay? All right, the next one is the Expandable Cooler Tote. Okay, Expandable Cooler Tote. It's expandable because I actually have it zipped up. So this is the little interior that's gonna fit down on the inside just like this. So it's like a a little thermal pouch, or a little thermal pad, I guess. Now here you've got handles on both sides, so you can see that you'll still have those same handles when this is expanded. You've got mesh pockets here. So let's actually unzip this. So we're gonna unzip it. All right, and let's expand this cooler, okay? If I have to unhook it, there we go. Okay, so you expand it just like this. So it's kind of like, it's called the cooler, expandable cooler duffel. And let's put this little insert on the inside. This is not cooperating with me today. Okay. So down on the inside, you can see that that fits down in there. Now this has our leak lock lining, so you can put ice directly in here and it's not going to leak out, which is a great feature about a lot of our thermals. And then you can zip this up. Now this also comes in the charcoal print. So I will be getting one of these for my husband's truck in that charcoal print. But you got handles right here so you can grab it up. And then I did the new beach personalization, and I chose, you get to choose 2 thread colors on this one. So I chose a Summer Sun to be in navy, and then I think it's the umbrella color that you get to choose. So I did peach on that, but so many beautiful colors in this print. This is called the multi-stripe, multicolor stripe print. So this is the expandable duffel, okay? Expandable cooler duffel. Now the next one is the Hostess exclusive is going to be the 2 cinch totes. So you'll get 2 cinch totes. You can choose your 2 colors that you would like for this to come with. So I'm going to show you one of the cinch totes that's not filled with something, and then one that is. Okay, so this is one of the multicolor stripe cinch totes. So what makes it like a cinch is that you can cinch up the sides. So if you have you know, not a lot of things in here, you can cinch it up all the way. You know, and but if you do have a lot of things in here, then you can, you know, release it. But this has a pocket right here, so you can personalize. I did the thread colors on this one were peach and butter. I love the butter. So it looks really nice on here. Now this little cinch tote could be great for your for groceries. It could be great for the pool, for the beach, for overnight bag, for clothes, for shoes, for makeup. Love that. So this, you'll get 2 in this bundle. And so here is the other one that I have. Okay, so this is the other one that I have, the bold color block print. I did the black arrows on here to match the black, so you can see that this little what is that little thing called? A little, I don't know, but I have this open all the way. I actually have 9 beach towels rolled up in here. So 9 beach towels. So you can see that this really does expand and hold quite a bit. So whether you're using it for groceries, for towels, you name it, it is very roomy. It doesn't look like it's roomy like the first one I showed you, but wow, this holds a ton. So a great little beach tote, a great little tote. And what's great about that is that when you're not using it, you can, you know, flatten it up and it will just store perfectly. Now the next one is going to be a little bit difficult for me to show. So it is the Ultimate Trunk Organizer. So this is the Ultimate Trunk Organizer. Hold it up a little bit. Ultimate Trunk Organizer. And I do have a video of this in my car. So at the end of this video, I'm going to kind of tack it on so you can see what it looks like in my car, because it's going to be very awkward for me to try to show you here. But it's kind of like a 2-part, if you will, a 2-part Hostess exclusive, but it all comes together as one. So you're going to get this you're going to get like 3 totes here, and I can't really call this an essential storage tote because it's a little bit smaller. It comes with 3 of these. It's a little bit smaller than our essential storage tote. It's the same height, but the essential storage tote is wider on the bottom. And so I'm going to make a separate video comparing these, and you'll be able to see that. So it's going to come with 3 totes. So I just think this is just going to be the best when you are grocery shopping and when you're trying to keep things organized in your trunk. You can have, you know, and you could really, I mean, use this for anything in your trunk. But okay, so it's going to come with this little tote thing at the bottom. So this has a wire rim around here all the way around, so it's going to keep it helping you know, standing up. My little doggy got this dirty. But I personalized this with the compass, and I think I did that in charcoal. So love this. Okay, but it also comes, like I said, 3 totes, but it's going to come with this little trunk organizer, which is going to be very awkward for me to show. So just know that ahead of time. So I'm going to kind of unroll this here, and you can see that this can fit this can fit in your trunk. Okay, so it has, and then it has like mesh that can kind of keep it domed up, so you can cinch the mesh up here and, you know, keep things inside. Now, it does have like a little bungee cord right here, so you can try to hook this on anything that's in your trunk. This is basically kind of like a one size fits all. I mean, it's basically supposed to fit most trunks, okay? So you've got the little bungee cord here, and you also have a little rope right here. So you could, and so there's the bungee on this one. So you can try to, and this is, you know, you can like really reach it around. So I'll show you at the end. I'll put that video here so you guys can see that in my trunk and kind of see how it works. But that's called the Ultimate Trunk Organizer, and it is definitely the ultimate trunk organizer for sure. And then also we have the mystery bundle. So you'll be able to, if you choose that, you can get the mystery bundle, and I think it's $28. I hope it's still $28, and I hope I didn't say that wrong. I normally don't say prices because I'm afraid I'll mess something up, but $28, and you'll get $76 worth of products. So you get 1 or 2 products. It's going to be a complete mystery until you get it. I don't even know what it is. When you place that on your order, it doesn't even show me what it is, and so we don't know until it comes, right? So if you are one that likes to you know, live on the wild side and get that mystery. I get that sometimes because it's fun, right? So I hope that you will consider hosting this spring summer catalog season, because these exclusives are amazing, and the only way that you can get them is by hosting a qualifying party. So I consider myself a party girl. I do a ton of parties every month, and I would love to host with you and help you earn your wish list for free, for half price, or get some of these discounted insider exclusives. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be making individual videos of these products, so definitely stay tuned. If you're watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant, I'd love to be your 31 girl, okay? So I'm going to link below my VIP group on Facebook. I'll link below how to message me on Facebook, so you can just click to message me. And we can definitely get in touch with each other that way. So answer, if you're joining my VIP group, answer the 2 questions, and then I'll send you back a private message. Okay. Now, if you're watching today and you're ready to host and you have a consultant of your own, please host a party with your consultant. Okay. If you're interested in becoming a consultant yourself, we can chat and see if 31 might be a fit for you. I'm an open book. I'll answer any of your questions, and I would love to help you get started in your new business. Okay. All right. Subscribe to the channel to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, y'all have a great day. Bye. Oh, and I'll tack that other video on at the end of this one. Okay, bye. So here is the Ultimate Trunk Organizer. So you can see that this fits in. It's kind of universal, so it's going to fit pretty much most trunks. So it has 2 little latches right here. So there was actually a little bungee cord right here, or like a rope, and then this kind of had like a little bungee cord. So I have tied it around one of these little knobs on that side, and then over here I have this little thing that kind of moves back and forth, and so I just lifted it up and hooked it on there. And so this is like a little mesh thing here, so it can just keep things from rolling around in your trunk, and you can even like cinch it up here and cinch it up on both sides there. And then it also comes with this little like tote organizer, so you can see that here is kind of, my kids are outside yelling. So you've got, it kind of comes up in the back. So this can hold, and it comes with three totes here. So you can use this for groceries, take them into the grocery store, and then when you come out, you've got a little place to put them. So that is the Ultimate Trunk Organizer.